Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send and close a direct message on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click on the person you want to message in the direct messages list on the left, in this case Pedro P, and their conversation window opens in the main area. Click in the message box at the bottom of the screen, type your message, then press enter to send it. Hover over that conversation in the direct messages list on the left, and click the X button that appears to close it, and you'll be taken to your friends list with that conversation removed from the sidebar. Closing a direct message doesn't delete the conversation. It just removes it from your sidebar to keep things tidy. You can reopen it anytime by clicking the message icon next to that person's name in your friends list, and your entire message history will still be there. If you accidentally close a conversation, head to your friends list under the All tab, find the person you were messaging, hover their row, and click the message icon to bring it straight back. And that's how to send and close a direct message on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.